Got a new sander to look at today from EVERGRADE. This is a 16-volt dual action cordless sander. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company EVERGRADE reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at this dual action cordless sander and make a quick little unboxing and review video. So here it is. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is the RGX Pro 316. They do make two different models. This one here has a 5mm offset. The 332 has a 2.5mm offset. So it's going to be more for finish sanding, where this one will be a little bit more aggressive. It can take off more material. Now, it does have a 1-year limited warranty against manufacturer's defects. Let's take a look at the back here and see what some of the specs and features are. Now, the battery power is, of course, 16 volt, variable speed from 5,000 to 10,000 RPM. Pad size is 6 inches, pad weight 120 grams. Weight with the battery is 2.65 pounds or 1.2 kilos. Now, it says here the offset is 3/16 of an inch or 5mm. 5mm is very close to 3/16 of an inch, and I'm sure that's where they got the model number of 316. The other version is 332 or 3/32 offset, and 3/32 of an inch is right about the same as 2.5mm. And it says it comes with 6 pieces of sandpaper. This is going to be for aggressive sanding for faster material removal, low vibration for comfort, patented hyper radial technology, long-lasting 16-volt lithium-ion batteries, lightweight for easy handling, low profile for better sanding, and of course it does have a brushless motor. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what comes included, and then we'll plug in the batteries, get them fully charged up, and head outside and see how it does. Well, that's a very nice rugged case. All right, so here you've got your warranty registration card. Great little information card there. Now we've got a little instruction manual here as well. It talks about general power tool warnings and personal safety, use and care. I'll set that aside for right now, but you might want to flip through that when you get a chance. Now here's the sandpaper that it comes with. We've got an 80 grit, 180, 240, 320, 400, and 600. Now here's our 2 batteries that are included. We'll get these fully charged up before we use the sander. Now here's the high output charger, and then here is our sander. Now it's already set up with the pad on here, and you can see there's the vacuum port with a little plug, so you can get a reducer for a shop vac and hook that up. It's got a nice little paddle switch, and I like that it's right at the center of the tool. That's really going to help with the balance. Now here's the little dial to adjust the speed from 0 to 5. Now, of course, I will get this charged first, but I just wanted to show you when you put the battery in, you see you have these little red arrows. Just have to line those up and it clicks in place. To remove the battery, all you have to do is push in on these tabs on the side. It's got these little grips there. Press in and it comes right out. Now you can see here on the charger, you also have a little red arrow. Just make sure you line that up as well. Set that into the charger and we'll get this plugged in and charging. Now it also comes with this little wrench right here, so you can change the pad when needed. You know, sometimes these do wear out. It's just a little wrench that you slide in through this little opening. You can just hold on to this whole body and you can unscrew the pad. So you just unscrew it counterclockwise. Don't forget this little washer right here that has to stay in place. And there's a close-up of the patented hyper radial technology. That's what the counterweight looks like. Let's go ahead and put this back on. There it is. Looks like it's going to work great. Woodworking, automotive, paint and body, fiberglass. You're working on boats or surfboards. I do have a surfboard that I've been working on, and we'll get this set up outside and probably sand that a little bit. But let's go ahead and get these batteries charged up, and then we'll take it outside and see how it does. All right, this battery's fully charged. Now this is an old repair that looks like it's failed. It's kind of leaking, cracked, and so I'm just going to strip all of this off and redo it. So I'm going to start with this one right here. This is an 80 grit. Let's see how this does. Now this does have an intentional delay. When you click this, that's intentional. It's about a 1-second delay. That is nice. Of course, we're just roughing this up for the laminating resin and fiberglass patch that I'm going to put over this, but you can see that that is quick. This is taking it down very fast, and nothing built up on the sanding pad. Now I can see how this vacuum port would be really handy to set up to be dustless. Now I'm outside and it's in an area that I'm not too worried about the dust, and I'm wearing a mask. They also say that if you're going to be using this for quite a while, to go ahead and open this port just to help the sander stay cool. Well, you can see at the higher speed, this thing really works quick and very powerful. I'm pretty impressed jumping that all the way up to level 5 or 10,000 RPM. This thing is working quick, making really quick work of this repair here. This is an old board, it's pretty beat up, but definitely worth saving. Well, I gotta tell you, I am very impressed with this sander. I have never used a sander that was this powerful or this nice. This is definitely the nicest sander that I've ever used. I'm not a paint and body guy. I do a lot of surfboard repair and of course lots of DIY projects around the house, but I've never used a sander this nice. It comes with really good sandpaper. Take a look at that. I just blew this off with the air hose once I was done and it cleaned up really well. It still feels very grippy, definitely ready to do some more work. That 3/16 inch or 5mm offset with the oscillation, that definitely was removing material quickly. Now, if you're a professional in the paint and body, marine, or even woodworking, I can see how you might want to pick up the companion sander as well for the finished work. This will probably do the job for me for most everything that I work on here around the house and the shop. But if you're a professional, you do this every day, or if you're just doing finished work, you might want to consider the 332 model. But for me, this was amazing, especially on this quick surfboard repair that I'm doing. You know, this surfboard's seen some better days. You can see here, I didn't just do the one deck spot. I tried to use this on the tail, around the rails as well, just to prepare for some glass and resin. This is definitely going to make the job go a lot quicker. But now I wouldn't normally use a palm sander like this on detailed areas, kind of like the rails, but it did work well as long as you keep it moving. Now, of course, we also have a tendency to want to tip the sander up on its edge. You really shouldn't do that. It does wear out the pad and the paper prematurely, and it's just not good for any sander to use it like that. Now, just another quick tip, when you're using this sander, put it on the material and then turn it on. I think that's part of the reason for that 1 second delay. You know, you put it on the material, press the button, and then it engages about a second later. That is intentional. You just don't want to start a sander like this up in the air off of that surface that you're working on because it can gouge the material when you go to put it on there. Now you're starting it on the material, but when you're done, pull it off the material and let it spin down. Now, I also stopped that from spinning a few times with my hand, and I wouldn't recommend that, especially with a coarser grit like this. Let it wind down on its own before you touch it. That is spinning pretty quickly, and it can gouge your hand too. But I gotta tell you, overall, I'm so impressed with this, and I'm so happy that EVERGRADE reached out and sent this to me. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up your very own sander from EVERGRADE as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.